Hex token once claimed that they had made 11,500% in just 4 months. They claimed to be the world's first high-interest blockchain certificate of deposit. However, they are still having the scam label, but most people still don't know about this token. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about what Hex coin is and how it works. Before we get started, a humble reminder, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and drop a like on this video. Also, remember to turn on post notifications as well to never miss a video from us. Oh, and guys, before further moving on to the video, know that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change. So by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hex cryptocurrency is a financial tool that was launched on the Ethereum network on December 2nd, 2019. Hex is an ERC20 token designed to replace the certificate of deposit and be a store of value. The blockchain counterpart for this financial product is used in traditional financial markets. In the traditional financial industry, certificates of deposit or CDs are offered by commercial banks. Usually, they provide a much higher interest rate than would be available in a checking or standard savings account. However, in order to achieve this higher interest rate, depositors should not withdraw their funds. The condition is that the funds should not be withdrawn for 1, 3, or 6 months, and in some cases up to 10 years. The funds are government guaranteed, and certificates of deposit are an easy way to earn a small extra interest without much risk on unused funds that you would otherwise hold in a current account. Certificates of deposit are usually referred to as time or term deposits outside of the US. Hex is designed to pay interest to participants who lock their coins through a stake. Hex coin is a free airdrop for Bitcoin holders. It's not an ICO, and you're not required to pay anything at any point of time of the claiming process. The Hex claim process can be safely done offline, and distribution to Bitcoin holders is 10,000 Hex per 1 BTC. Bitcoin holders can claim Hex only during the first year of launch. During this period, 90% of the claimed Hex is locked for 1 year. At the end of the first year of release, all coins that Bitcoin holders have not claimed are distributed to other Hex users with active stakes. Now let's talk about how Hex works. Hex cryptocurrency uses the Ethereum network for the transaction layer. This includes receiving and sending Hex, as well as interacting with the Hex smart contract. The staking mechanism and consensus code are contained in the Hex smart contract. Hex lets the user stake their Hex coins to share the inflation or issue of new Hex coins. It also has features designed to stimulate behavior to encourage disincentive practices and price appreciation that promote harm to the price. The Hex smart contract penalizes interested parties who terminate their pledge ahead of time and accordingly rewards them for staking more significant amounts of Hex for more extended periods. Richard Hart, the creator of Hex, explained that Hex is the world's first blockchain certificate of deposit that allows users to stake their tokens in return for interest. Users can enjoy interest payments ranging from 3.69% if 99% of the total supply is locked. The amount can even go up to a massive payout of 369% if only 1% of the total amount is staked. The monetary value of such an amount depends entirely on the market value of Hex at the time of maturity, as the interest payments are made in Hex. Now let us tell you guys how to buy Hex. The first step is to open an online account with a brokerage that supports the purchase and sale of Hex. Unfortunately, if you live in the United States, you will have limited options to purchase Hex directly with fiat currency. Hex is currently only available on smaller exchanges, which tend to be higher targets for hacking attempts. The next step is to download or buy a wallet. You need to open an off-chain wallet to store your tokens. A cryptocurrency wallet is a physical device or an application that provides you with a private set of keys that you can use to store your tokens. There are two major classifications of cryptocurrency wallets. Hardware wallets are sometimes referred to as cold storage wallets. It is a physical device that operates using the same mechanism as a flash drive. You'll connect your hardware wallet to your computer via Bluetooth or USB and transfer your tokens to an offline wallet. Hardware wallets store your tokens more securely but tend to hold fewer types of coins and tokens. Software wallets are referred to as hot storage wallets. They are smartphone or computer applications that store your tokens and coins on an online wallet. Though software wallets provide lower levels of protection when compared to hardware wallets, they're free and they usually hold more types of assets than comparable hardware wallets. This can make software wallets an excellent choice for new investors or those who only need to store a small amount of crypto. After you open an account and select a wallet, the next step is to make your purchase. Take a look at your broker's platform and explore the types of orders you can use to purchase HEX. Depending on the broker you choose, you might have access to dozens of order types that will influence the price that your order is executed at. After you submit your order, your broker will take care of filing the order at a price or under the conditions that you've specified. Once your order is complete, your broker will typically notify you by email or an in-app message. There are also other ways for you to claim your HEX. The adoption amplifier is one of the ways in which HEX tokens are created to put into circulation. You need to install MetaMask on your PC or laptop. You need to go to the claim tool on the go.hex.win, open your Bitcoin wallet after you get the statement from the claim tool and sign it. There are also some things to consider before buying HEX. It has certain advantages. HEX cryptocurrency is cheaper and faster to transact and more secure in some ways than Bitcoin because it uses Ethereum security. HEX is built on top of Ethereum, which is a proof-of-work blockchain with more decentralized hashing power than Bitcoin. BTC also devalues its price by delivering inflation to the miners who need to sell those Bitcoins in the market to pay for the electricity and equipment they use. That leads to a drop in price. Contrary to BTC, the HEX code is immutable and an open source. It is an externally audited token, no bugs, and the system is reliable. HEX has security and economy audited from Chain Security and Coin Fabric. Hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger can be used with MetaMask for HEX and ETH. Since HEX is designed for those who stake longer, they will benefit the most. By eliminating intermediaries, users can transform Ethereum directly into HEX. Kickstart adoption gives Bitcoin owners free HEX, and that helps small market players, penalizing Bitcoin whales. You should also know about its disadvantages. People are still questioning its legitimacy. They are calling it a colossal cash grab and compromise on confidentiality. The biggest problem for critics is the use of an origin address feature that builds into the HEX system. The contract specifies an ETH address as the origin address. This address is paid HEX through the contract in several ways, since the so-called origin address receives a copy of all payments of bonuses and penalties. But you should know that HEX is not a security. In fact, they aren't actually even any coins. They're just numbers in a distributed database. No one is actually given anything. People can run the code if they want to or not. The code can't do anything by itself, but it sits there. As of the 28th of June 2021, HEX was trading at a price of $0.076754 with a 24-hour trading volume of $31,039,014. In the last 24 hours from the 28th of June, HEX price has gone up by around 7.3%. It has a maximum supply of 572 billion HEX coins. Richard Hart has extremely ambitious hopes for HEX. He believes that it can overtake all other cryptos. He explained that HEX uses tactics that a scam might use as a referral bonuses to attract interest, but it is a real and honest project. HEX next goes to replace credit cards, gold, and of course banking certificates of deposits with reliable and secure peer-to-peer technology. That's it guys, congrats on reaching the end. That's it about what HEX coin is and how it works. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a video. Tell us in the comments if you're going to invest in HEX. See you next time.